Hi guys.
Hi guys.
So we're back at NRI, and I got a little late because of the traffic and all of that.
That's okay. I kept myself occupied with the cocktails.
Yes. So do you want to say something about the cocktails before we start?
Yeah, sure. So I had a tasting of 3 different types of cocktails here at NRI. One was called the Mumbai Martini, which is basically a curry leaf and ginger martini, and
Which
Rupali
I'm
tried
having,
and
yeah.
she liked that, so she's having that. And then I tried a passion fruit chutney martini.
No guesses, Sailesh is having that.
Which was really sweet and full of passion fruit flavor, and I really liked it, so that's the one I chose. And there's also a Thai margarita, which is full of Thai flavors and is very interesting, especially for people who like Thai flavors.
Wow, that sounds really good. And I'm really excited and looking forward to the menu, which...
We're back in NRI, and if you can recall, Rupali did an interview with Michelin star chef Atul Kochhar right here before the place had even started off. You know, there wasn't any decor or anything. So we got that interview on Eat Stay Chill for you guys. So there's the link down there. So please check that out.
And if you haven't checked it out already, please do check it out.
Yeah. So NRI is not really Indian.
Yeah, which means that the food here, the menu here, is something which the migrants took back to other countries.
Yeah, it's basically people from one country going to another country and adapting their recipes to
With
local
ingredients.
Yeah, using local ingredients and adapting the recipes that they have brought from their home country and changing it a little bit. And we've all tried that sort of thing, right? I mean, you go to England and you have the chicken tikka masala. Yeah, exactly.
And you go to Durban, you have the bunny chow, which is South African but very, very Indian.
Yeah, it's got the Indian
flavors and spices, and the Indo-Malaysian roti canai.
Yeah.
And I believe there are lots and lots of other interesting things like that, which we're going to try very shortly. And tonight we have an interesting couple joining us for dinner from Bollywood, the very talented Rohit Roy and Mansi Joshi Roy. And let me tell you that they're not going to be with us eating dinner just because they are stars, but because they're also big time foodies. They enjoy food and they celebrate food. So they're going to be joining us any moment.
Yes.
Cheers to that. Get up and walk up to the bar?
Well, obviously in Bombay we are way more casual than the rest of the country, and also it's a personal thing. You know, by the time he would have got the wine list and the menu, the drinks menu, and I would have seen what is there. I went to the bar. I'll give you an example. Like when you go for a film, you see the film first up and close to the screen because you want to feel what's coming out to you, right? So when I go and see the bar and I see all the bottles of single malt lying there, I feel that okay, now I can take a pic instead of reading it, you know, in a menu. So which is why I didn't wait for him to come here and I went up there. So it's a personal thing.
I would like to add that that's exactly why Eat Stay Chill is such a big hit, because you can see the restaurant and not just read the review.
So let me start off with a cute story about Mansi.
Okay.
So you asked me, so whenever we travel or whenever we are at a restaurant, so I'll probably ask her that, Mansi, should I order? So she'll say, yeah, of course, please do. And when I open this thing, so I'll go, Acha, but order that for me, order that for Kiara, order that for my father, order that for your mother. So by the time I reach the end, so what am I ordering? Whatever you want.
Well, I usually know where I'm going, and I'm like you know, I'm a foodie, so I like to know, you know, what I'm going to be eating, and I've already got it all planned in advance. Okay, so if I'm going here, I'm going to be trying this, I'll try that out, and you know, based on the reviews, and especially Eat Chill car reviews.
You're good, huh?
So yes, so I'm trying to figure out, and I like to do it.
So you've traveled so much.
Yes.
So any particular country where you've tried something Indian and you really liked?
You know, honestly, when we travel, I stay away from Indian food. We both have this thing where when we go, we have to explore everything that is there. Only if you're on a very long trip and we suddenly crave Indian food, you know how you want your dal chawal or something, suddenly it hits you, okay, I
It
want
happens,
some.
but it does happen.
But
It
it happens.
happens.
Yeah, you want to stay away
Yeah.
from it, but it's something
But
to happen.
usually a week, you know, 5-6
So
days.
actually
we
there's
can
a story
always-
there also. We were traveling in Scotland.
Yeah.
And there were 9 days in Scotland on the road, eating Scottish food and drinking Scottish beer and scotch and single malt and all of that. By the 9th night, we were in a place called Oban. Oban, which is where the distillery is.
Okay.
And it was cold, and you know, we were by that time, you know, 9 days we'd seen the entire country. And we decided, okay, chalo, Indian khana. So we googled some stuff, like, Indian khana kahan milta hai? And we went to this really far off place, and you know, it's over a really small place. We went bahar kahin drive karke gaye, and we did the entire country by road. So we went there, and khushbu achhi aa rahi thi. I said, fantastic. The kali dal, butter chicken,
Bangladeshi.
naan, Bangladeshi.
Yes, it was.
And we ordered the food, and it was so disappointing.
So bad.
Because they had no clue. I mean, it's just naam ke vaste Indian
And it was
restaurant.
probably catered to the Goras, you know?
Yeah.
Because who would probably want to come and eat the spicy, you know, food, which is typically how it is in Britain and Scotland and all these places. So it was really
They
bad.
adapted it.
And they're adapted.
Yeah.
But adapted it to a very
Yeah,
horrible
to a
point.
standard,
Very,
which was
yeah.
like, so all of us, my daughter, me, and we were really disappointed.
We were
So,
disappointed.
like, you know, and off we went. But then, yeah, so sometimes we explore Indian food out of the country, but usually we are the kind who want to try everything that's local. Like, oh
Colin
my
is
God.
ready.
So
So all those things we just said, can you please tell him?
So Colin, we want to eat a lot of food.
Okay.
We want to have the pork curlies. We want to have the kekda.
Start
Actually,
right.
the kekra is not available.
Oh.
Chef's signature dish. We are very disappointed.
Is it on
Chicken
out?
tikka pie and the
No.
I want the chicken tikka pie.
chicken tikka pie. I just need to have a word with the chef. I'll just get back to you.
Okay.
So let's.
We want the bunny chow.
Okay.
We want the Malacca bobra
Be mutton or veg? Sorry.
mutton. We are allergic to vegetarian. Malacca bobra pork. Pork curlies.
Uh-huh.
Why not?
Potted
Since
shrimps.
we're all sharing, it's okay.
And that fruit yogurt thing.
Paldari chaat. No.
Ha, Paldhari chaat.
Paldari chaat.
Bandari chaat. And Sri Lankan that thing.
Sri Lankan potli.
Sri Lankan potli will be veg.
Nothing is veg, beta.
Where is that?
You asked about the chicken tikka pie, right?
Chicken tikka pie. Mauritian chicken nuggets.
Ah, that's again his signature dish.
Yeah.
What, which one?
Chicken tikka pie.
I think we should stop here for some time.
And then we can order it.
Yeah.
Then we'll see how it goes.
Like what we get at Urban Tadka, it's like shakar kandi with dal on top.
That's what I want.
Oh, I love urban tadka.
So let's do one.
देखा?
Dal and shakar kandi. Okay.
I live in town, but whenever I come, that's it. I have to like.
अच्छा तू बॉम्बे
Actually, you're a
रहता
Bombay
है?
person.
Yeah,
I
I
thought you were from Delhi too. Where in? Where
I
in
explained
Mumbai?
so much about Delhi. Delhi, you never let up that you're not from Delhi, यार. इतना बोल दिया मैंने
I
Delhi,
always
Bombay.
thought you were like telling me about Delhi and
No.
So Sailesh,
I love Delhi. I don't know why
okay.
Bombayites don't like
And he
Delhi.
does all
I
the
love
weddings.
Delhi. I love the food of Delhi. I love the people of Delhi.
Would you like to try another one, sir? We have a Sikardi Anu. You can go with the offals.
Which one?
Offals. This Beja Kapura.
Arey!
awesome.
Awesome. That's what
I
we
can do
want.
that.
Beja खाते हो ना? I love Beja. She doesn't eat Beja.
Yeah, you can taste some. I don't mind it once in a while.
I eat my husband's flavor all the time.
I was just going to say that, but then I thought that on camera it might not sound good and Mansi will probably beat me up when we go home.
No, that's
So I
very
think
nice
politically
prerogative.
correct.
the thing about NR is that it is like, you know, we were talking about food that has been taken from one country to another and adapted for
Correct.
the taste of that country. So I was wondering like how, you know, it's not necessarily always a good thing, right?
Correct.
It's not a good thing for people who have come from that country.
But the
going to-
original cuisine, maybe it's the people who are used to the original cuisine, they might sometimes find the adaptation not up to their liking. But then at the same time, sometimes it's great to experiment and, you know, probably discover it in a different way.
Listen, if
Like-
the world had not experimented with Chinese food, they would not have
Indian
exactly. They wouldn't have an Indian Chinese. They wouldn't have an American Chinese.
American chop suey.
Yeah.
Yes.
What is American chop suey? It's just an
That's something we
adaptation.
invented, I believe the
Yeah.
Indians did. I was
Indians
reading some
invented
article.
American chop suey.
Indians invented something in Singapore called the fish head curry.
Fish
But
head
that's
curry.
a very famous Bengali dish, by the way. Fish head curry is a
got
very common
mustard.
thing.
We put
very
egg
common.
in the
Every
but we
Bengali
make it in
household
mustard.
makes a fish head curry. In our house, when it comes, it's never thrown away. The heads are always used and made into a curry, which I still haven't kind of developed a taste for it. But my mom-in-law and everybody likes it.
I like the curry, but I don't like the
Yeah.
fish head. But
Yeah, I don't like the
flavors
sauce, but the flavors are very good.
I also don't like it. I can't, even though I'm a Bengali, I can't handle it. You see, they knew how to eat the head of the fish. We don't, I don't.
with the eyes.
With the eyes, yes.
With the
apparently
eyes.
the
Can you
best.
imagine? The fish is looking at you and you're like, ah.
NRI is not really Indian, not.
Yeah.
So basically,
That was his whole concept.
The whole
because
concept.
when I asked him, I said, Chef, are you not having an Indian menu? He says, "There's so many all around, why do you need one?"
Correct.
So this is a very interesting concept.
So, but to be fair, they have an India Wale section,
Right.
which is
Correct.
supposed to be very authentic. And
Dal chawal,
Yeah.
dal
I wonder
biryani.
what
If people don't want to experiment,
Colin,
have
I wonder what's this bus up short roti?
Oh, I believe that's very good.
What-
We have
what
to
is
try
that?
that.
Bus up
order one thing which is Indian, so we know what it is.
Chutney Martin.
Oh, is it the chutney martini?
yeah, that's what I'm
You know,
having.
this is
How-
also very
You
nice.
want to try?
Even just
I'm good.
Yeah.
I'm not a cocktail fan. I'll never have them.
okay.
So it's sweet. It's sweet. If you don't like, they've got a Thai
Try this one.
margarita.
The curry patta.
They've got a curry and ginger martini, which is also quite nice.
It's not so sweet.
Can I have a repeat of mine? Or should I have
But
a...
you'd stop drinking, and you'd stop
stop.
non-veg as well, right?
Yeah, that was long.
That was long
Long
time. Thankfully, he's back to eating and drinking. Because I couldn't bear it if I had to go out with him and he wouldn't eat everything.
Because
I
one
was
time,
off for 2 years, but that was the best, best 2 years of my life.
no, when I interviewed him that time,
There's a huge
he said,
difference
I don't-
because you're,
Non-veg,
you see, we're
I
not,
don't drink
human
alcohol.
beings are not designed to eat non-vegetarian food. They're designed to eat vegetarian food. So those 2 years, I would be wide awake, you know,
Life has to be
focused.
enjoyed.
My senses
Like, you know,
were all clean and
my
clear,
husband and me,
and my entire system became a lot
We are also
better.
like that. We have
And
to
I've heard about this, but
Try
one of
new
them is
places,
because I'm a
my God.
Bengali. I've
That's
always eaten
Not the
that.
kind who would say no, mom. No, mom.
Those 2 years.
I always tell her, you have to try everything once.
But you've
After that, if you
not
don't like it,
ever been vegetarian. If you
Ever.
turn vegetarian for, and I was there for almost 2.5 years. Like I was telling you, it was the best physical year of my life. My
I don't want to know it.
start. Please start.
I take one and we can try. Falhari chaat.
Fal bhari chaat. It looks good.
I'm not too much of a fal ka fan.
Unless the fal is given by some chicken or mutton or goat.
But let's have it for the sake of gastronomy. So last time celebration we were at the Marriott and we bumped into your brother.
Okay.
But they were having a nice cozy time, the husband and wife. So we didn't want to really
You told me.
barge in.
Marriott is their, okay, so their go-to place is Marriott. They are the complete opposite of
Soul
us.
food. My brother and my sister-in-law are diametrically different from us.
In eating habits.
Yeah, I
So
noticed
unless
they were
somebody
having very
forces them to go somewhere else.
No,
healthy
anywhere, but
Marriott.
Marriott and that
ठीक है, वो भी
Chinese.
पास में है
No,
घर के-
spices, yeah, that.
घर के पास है we bought them one day to masala library remember
Yeah.
इतने दूर जा रहे हैं we are like keep quiet we are going to enjoy the food let's go please enjoy like some nice khana
And they had a good time.
and they had a good time but they will not venture out of so their comfort zone is to go close by or one or two restaurants near their house and that's it and we will travel anywhere for food good food
Yeah.
like we will go to Britannia because we have to
Something
eat that
nice
dairy
is coming.
pulao.
Something very
Sometimes I
interesting
go to
looking is
collect
coming.
Bunny chow.
Oh, that's the bunny chow. Cheers, cheers. Cheers.
Eat, stay chill. So we all sampled a lot of food just now.
A lot of food yes
A lot of food.
Kept coming and going, coming and going.
yeah
So what was your favorite?
Mine was this, which we got a
we all
refill of.
Yeah.
This was the chicken liver masala
On toast.
on toast. I love it. I love it.
Which was your favorite?
I quite like the potted shrimp and I like both the pork things, the sausages as well as the glazed pork.
Oh yeah, the
Yeah,
Malacca pork.
Malacca
Malacca
pork was
pork.
also really nice.
I also like it.
Yeah, so I like both of those. And the bunny chow was something I'd never tried before, so I tried it for the first time. So it was interesting. The only thing which I thought was regular was like the chicken shrimps the
chicken
nuggets that we tried with that little spicy sauce.
Yeah, I would agree to that as well.
But otherwise everything's been interesting.
But I guess that's the thing.
Yeah.
Some migrant would have taken that and had got
Probably.
some chili sauce and
Yeah, so that sauce tasted a bit Indian and different.
Yeah.
So it was not like your typical bland chicken nuggets. So yeah.
What was your favorite?
Well, my favorite, I think I like the Sri Lankan kotli. That was, that was quite nice.
With the hopper, the string hopper, that was one of my favorites.
That was quite nice. The bunny chow, I read a lot about bunny chow and about how it was
And you
invented
saw me
in South
cooking
Africa.
it as well, right?
And Rupali has cooked it as well. So I've read a lot about it, but I don't know. Somehow I didn't think that it was that flavoursome. So it was just a bit of a
I think
letdown.
I would have liked it a little more spicy.
A little more spicy.
Maybe, yeah, it should have been a little more spicy or flavorful. I guess.
It looked lovely, it was
I couldn't
presented well,
enjoy
but
it.
yeah, it should have had a little more something, a little something else. I'm going to try yours, by the way. I'm going to try out that recipe.
I actually liked all the
bunny
food. I loved the nugget as well. I'm
Oh, you
sorry
did?
to.
Okay.
I never disagree with you, but I love the nugget as well. And I.
You know you're not supposed to.
I know.
Fundamentally, you're always
And
agree.
on that note, I'll just stuff my face so that I don't have to talk.
Yeah.
I think this was the pork curry.
I loved it. The pork curry was superb.
Really good. I think that was like the star for the
Yeah,
table.
yeah, definitely.
So let's wait for more food.
Yes, they are waiting for that bus up shut.
Roti.
So this is the bus up shut roti, which looks pretty also. And, I'm sure
And
it
it's
tastes
great
good.
when a wife wants to tell her husband, bus up shut.
We are not ideal candidates for the Valentine's Day special, so maybe you shouldn't call us.
Interesting experience, definitely. I was looking forward to coming to, the Michelin star chef Atul Kocher's new place, and it was, I like the vibe. It's a lovely, cute place, and we especially love the India Wale bits. We must say that was really our favorite. We are going away with that,
Yeah, I do agree. Even though the restaurant's called NRI, I think we enjoyed the Indian part of it. I also enjoyed the chicken liver masala. That was fantastic, and I think overall the food was very, very good. I thought that actually both of us thought that maybe the chicken nuggets, it sounded very Moroccan, but tasted like any other chicken nugget that we've had. But other than that, I think the food is superlative, and we had a great time.
Yeah, we had a good time. I enjoyed trying that bunny chow. That was something I'd never tried, and I wanted to check it out. The potted shrimps were interesting, and like the bread and butter pudding, that was good.
Well, I think the vibe was fantastic. The food was great. What could be slightly better is probably the service, because I thought it was a tad bit slow. They took a long time bringing the mithai wala platter to us. But other than that, very, very courteous. Staff is very good. And maybe because it's just kind of opening up, there probably the little teething problems wherein the speed was a little tardy. But other than that, I don't think any complaints or any.
Not really. We
Not
were
really.
happy.
I think
happy.
overall
Yes.
it was a great experience,
good
and
experience.
we would definitely come back if
Yeah.
you would have us.
So
Yes.
that was the celebrity wrap up for you at NRI.
And well, now it's time for Eat Stay Chill to give its verdict.
Yeah, but we have to say that it was very nice to have both of our guests on our show.
Very, very, very talented Rohit Roy
Yes.
and Mansi Joshi Roy.
Yes.
And the best thing, I really enjoyed the meal with them because they enjoy food, and as I mentioned, they celebrate food as well. So it was a pleasure
A
dining
lot
with
of
them.
interesting stories.
Yeah.
So our take on NRI, Rupali. Well,
First, let's talk about what we really liked. I love the Sri Lankan pot curry.
Potli.
That was really nice. I love the idiyappam. The pork curry was good. The Malakka pork was good. I think I loved all the pork dishes on the menu. They were really good. I loved the Indian section, India Wale section.
The India Wale section, the Makhanwala, the dal were very, very good, and a bit contrary to the name of the restaurant, not really Indian. We actually like the really Indian stuff.
Yeah, we love the India Wale section.
Yes, and so did our guests.
Yeah, I think they also mentioned that India Wale rocks.
That's true.
And what did you not like?
Well, there were like the bunny chow. I thought was really disappointing, and you know. The problem is that I can't think of other dishes which come to mind. So they were fine. I mean, when you come to a restaurant and you think that it's a Michelin starred chef restaurant, perhaps you would expect more standouts from the food that you eat. And we couldn't find that many to pick out. And even from the desserts, I think
The bread and butter pudding was
with the
outstanding.
jaggery was really good, but the other desserts were very so-so. I mean, the choux pastry, not very good. I didn't think it was.
I didn't like the choux pastry with mango either.
It was not very good, but yeah, and service. I think our guest also mentioned the fact that the service, maybe because it just started off, but the service got slower and slower as the evening progressed, and
But again, I feel because I worked in a kitchen myself, so these are teething issues. It's just opened a week ago, and service can get to be a little slow. But yeah, obviously, like Sailesh just mentioned, it's just that when it's a Michelin star
in this
chef
day and age,
restaurant.
with all of the new restaurants opening up, and everybody sort of raising the bar, it needs to get to that level as well, and you have an expectation. We had a very funny incident with the dessert cart. So the thing is, we had to wait for it because the dessert cart actually has to be arranged before they bring it to you, because it's taken out of the fridge and put on the dessert cart, which takes time. And our guests did not want to wait that long. And when the dessert cart finally rolls along, it's so big it doesn't fit through.
Yeah, it couldn't come to
It could not fit through, and our guests had to get up and go to the dessert table, which is very. It's just embarrassing. It should not be. And they said that they're going to be rectifying it with a smaller dessert cart. But until then, I think perhaps putting
a
giving
menu.
a menu for the desserts would be an appropriate thing to do. Yeah.
But that said, the place is beautiful with Victorian lamps, and it's a nice modern Indian bistro kind of a look and feel. And but then I feel that some of the dishes, like we mentioned, were really good. We liked lots of them. But then there were one or two things that we didn't really like as well. But then again, when you come to a restaurant which is owned by Chef Atul Kochhar, you would expect everything to be superlative.
Your expectations are high, and we hope that this feedback will help the restaurant make some constructive changes, and be all that it can be. We wish it all the best.
And I'm sure it's going to do well. It's just teething issues. And
Yeah, so we hope you enjoyed our review and all of our guests' comments and the stories, the interesting stuff that they had to tell us. It was a different format for us as well, but we're sure that you enjoyed it, and we'll be doing a lot more reviews in the future, huh, Rupali?
yeah, of course, and with like-minded foodies.
Yes, indeed. So stay tuned to Eat Stay Chill. Check out our other reviews, and if you're a restaurant or a hotel that would like us to review your establishment, then write to us. Our email addresses are right there below.
And I'm the location manager, so
She's the
reach
location
out to
manager,
me.
so we'll be reaching out to Rupali. And yeah, so hope you like that, guys. Please leave your comments below if you visited the restaurant, you'd like to visit it, or what you have thought about NRI. And we will see you again soon.
Good night.
Good night.